welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will cover the most common interview question and answer of technical recruiter. So the first question is, what skills are important for technical recruiter? Important skills for technical recruiter include strong communication skills to interact with both candidate and hiring managers, research skills to find the right candidates, and basic understanding of technical concepts like programming language or IT tools. What tools do you use for sourcing IT candidates? I use a combination of LinkedIn, GitHub, Stack Overflow, and job boards like Dice, Monster, and ATS for sourcing candidates. Also, I participate in tech forums and online communities to connect with passive candidates. Do you have experience with ATS? Yes, I have experience with various ATS platforms like JobDiva, Cpal, Telio, Bullhorn, and Greenhouse. These tools help streamline the recruiting process by managing job posting, tracking candidate progress, and maintaining communication records. What is the difference between Core Java and Advanced Java? Core Java is the basic part of Java that includes fundamental concepts like object-oriented programming, multi-threading, and exception handling. Advanced Java includes more specialized topics like web development, JDBC, servlets, JSP, and frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, which are used for creating enterprise-level applications. What is the difference between automation testing and manual testing? Manual testing is when tester checks software manually by following test case without using any tools or script. It requires human efforts and is useful for exploratory and usability testing. Automation testing uses script and tools like Selenium or JUnit to run tests automatically, making it faster and more efficient for repetitive tasks. What is the difference between admin and developer? Admin manage and maintain systems, ensuring they run smoothly. They handle user access, security, configuration, and troubleshooting. And a developer writes code to build application, features, or software solution. They focus on designing, coding, and fixing bugs. What is DevOps? DevOps is a combination of development and operation that helps teams work together to build, test, and deploy software faster and more efficiently. It focuses on automation, continuous integration, and continuous delivery to improve software development and deployment. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large and complex data set that cannot be processed using traditional methods. It includes structured, unstructured data and is analyzed to find patterns, trends, and insight for better decision making. What is Internet of Things? Internet of Things means connecting everyday device to the internet so they can collect, share, and use data automatically. What is the difference between big data and cloud computing? Big data deals with handling and analyzing huge amounts of data, while cloud computing provides online storage and computing power to process that data. How do you define a cloud CRM? Cloud CRM is an online customer management system that helps businesses store, access, and manage customer data from anywhere using the internet. What is the difference between business intelligence and data warehouse? Business intelligence is a set of tools and processes used to analyze data, create reports, and support decision making. Data warehouse is a large storage system that collects and organizes data from different sources for analysis. What is content management? Content management is the process of creating, organizing, storing, and publishing digital content efficiently. It helps businesses manage text, image, videos, and other media across website and social platform and digital channels. What is the difference between tester and QA? A tester finds and reports bugs by running tests on software, while QA focus on improving the entire development process to prevent defects and ensure quality. What is the difference between a data architect, data analysis, and database analysis? Data architect designs the structure and framework for storing and managing data. Data analysis analyzes data to find trends and insight for decision making. Database analysis manages optimized database to ensure data is stored efficiently and securely. What is statement of work? A statement of work is a detailed document that outlines the specific tasks, deliverable, timelines, and expectation for a project or service agreement. What is the difference between a web developer and web designer? A web developer builds and codes the functionality of a website, such as writing the code for features, database, interactivity. A web designer focuses on visual aspects of website, including layout, color scheme, fonts, and overall user experience design. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.